Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Doot. My name is Vinay and today I have brought you an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M30. Okay guys, so here is the packet which I got from Amazon.in, and this has our Samsung Galaxy M30, the phone that we are going to unbox today. So without any delay, let's get started with the unwrapping and unboxing. Here is how the box looks like. Samsung Galaxy M30. So here is a quick glance at the specifications of this phone. The processor, the memory size, the RAM size, the battery size, the camera configuration, and the display panel, what it all is. Quick glance. And this although the MRP is mentioned as rupees 19,590, but it retails for 18,000 only, so I got it for 18,000 rupees from Amazon.in. And while I'm unboxing or unwrapping the plastic here, I'll also leave the specifications over here on the left. So let me quickly show you the box contents. So over here we have some paperwork, warranty guide, warranty card, quick start, etc. Let's keep it to the side. Now we have the device itself, quite tall, and glossy finish as well. This is the blue variant of the device, as you can see. Let me put it to the side for a while. And now you have the 15-watt quick charger supplied in the box, and here is the USB type A to type C cable, charging and data syncing cable. So that's about it in the box contents. Now let's take a look at the device itself. So let me give you a physical overview. So over here down at the bottom you have the 3.5mm audio jack, so that's a good thing. And here's the charging and the data syncing port, the type C. And this is the speaker grill, and this is the primary microphone. Over here at the top you have the selfie camera, and over here is the secondary mic, and over here is the main camera module, the triple camera module, followed by a LED flash and the fingerprint sensor. On the right you have the power key and the volume key, volume rocker. On the left there is a SIM tray. Let me quickly power it on and show you. Okay guys, so here is how the first boot looks like, and let me tell you, the display quality, I find it to be quite vibrant. As you may have already seen, it has Samsung's Super AMOLED screen. So this is all screen but a small U-shaped notch, as you can see, and the screen looks quite good. So let me play around with the camera a little bit, and as you can see, it has various modes: beauty mode, live focus, stickers, and continuous shot, which is also burst shot, as you may have seen already. Here is the auto mode, the live focus mode. Let's allow this. The beauty mode, the pro mode, where you can control various aspects of your picture like the white balance, ISO, shutter speed, etc., and panorama mode as well. So quite good number of modes available. And here are the camera settings. The default video setting is set to full HD. Let me show you how far it can go. It can go up to full HD, that is the maximum video size it can give you from the rear camera. and from the front camera as well, the maximum size is the full HD, or you can also go up to 19.5:9 video settings. I will also show you some picture samples which I have taken from both the rear set of cameras and from the front selfie camera. So Samsung Galaxy M30 comes with a triple camera setup. The primary camera is a 13 megapixel f1.9 aperture camera, and there is a secondary camera which is 5 megapixel wide angle camera, and then the third camera is another 5 megapixel depth sensing camera. So that completes the primary camera setup, as you can see here, below which you have the flash, and then you have a fingerprint sensor over here. And the front camera sensor is a 16 megapixel selfie camera which comes with f2.2 aperture and takes some great selfies. I'll show you how the camera performance is. Small introduction to this, the pictures taken from these camera. So I will be showing you both normal camera samples and wide angle camera samples, as well as selfie camera samples. So guys, here is some video footage of the primary rear camera. So just to give you an example of how the exposure and the focus is, let me just switch the focus. Alright, there. So as you can see, the autofocus is working quite fast and quite accurately as well. Doesn't keep hunting for focus, so no problem like that. So here is how the exposure change would look like. You see, let me try to zoom in a little bit so you can see that one as well. So here it goes till 4x zoom on the primary camera. And here is a video sample from the wide angle rear camera for you to look at. So this is how it looks. And this is a landscape orientation video from the front 16 megapixel camera of this smartphone. So as you can see, here is how it looks like. Let me walk backwards so that I can show you. So I'm currently, as I told you, I'm in the park, out in the open park, so it's quite sunny. So here is how it looks like. The video looks crisp in the daytime. Let me go into shadows to show you how the exposure changes. Alright, I'm going into the shadows over here. Okay, so here is how the exposure changes, and now I've turned side, and yeah, from this side under the shade as well, the exposure is quite good, as you can see. So this was a quick unboxing and quick overview, initial overview of the Samsung Galaxy M30 smartphone. I hope you guys would have liked this video. So thank you for watching the video, and please share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching the video.